Hello World is the most famous script in programming, so is that software development a window to the world? Here we are, 2020. Computers are everywhere in manufacturing, agriculture, and business. All of these things have been turned upside down by software development. Also, with COVID-19, we all depend on communicating apps to continue our projects and studies. What we recognize is that 80% of the world's problems have been solved by coding apps or programs. The main reason to start programming is that the best paid job in the world is for software developers. A report from US News showed that the median salary for a programmer is about $100,000. Now you are asking yourself if you can be a developer. You don't have to be a genius to know how to code, don't worry. Google, Apple, and 12 other companies that no longer require employees to have a college degree. It's all about your experience and creativity. A software developer is irreplaceable because the car can be self-driving, but a programmer can't be self-programming. Let's sum up with Steve Jobs' quote. Everybody should learn how to program a computer because it teaches you how to think.